Hello friends, here we will discuss how do we write counting in binary numbers. We know that we can use only 0 and 1. So to write any number in binary, we will use these two digits. To start counting, first we will use the lowest number. This is the lowest number and this is the next higher number. The counting in binary numbers is very similar to the decimal number. As in decimal number, we start with the lowest one, means 0. Similarly, in this binary number system, we will start counting with the lowest number. So we will start with this 0 and we will place this at the least significant position. This is the least significant position. So we will put 0 here. So the decimal equivalent of this number is also 0. Now we will write the next number. This is 1 and decimal equivalent is also 1 here. Now to write the next higher number, we will use the next higher position because although all the numbers have finished now. So to write the next higher number, we will use this position. And to write the next higher position, we cannot use the lower number. We will use the next higher number. So we will put 1 at this position. So we have used 1 at this position and 0 will be here. This lowest position will alternate every time between 0 and 1, and this is the equal to the 2 decimal number. Now we will write 3 here. Now to write 3, we will put 1 here and the next number and the number will be 1 here. This is equal to 3. Now we can see here both the positions, at both the position there is 1, means the maximum higher number. So to write the next higher number, we will have to use the next higher position, means this position. So we will use 1 here. We will put 1 here and at these two positions we will use 0, means this will alternate now, and this is equivalent to the 4. Now to write the next higher number, we will use 1 here and alternate this bit, and this will remain the same. This will be equal to 5. Now to write the 6, 1 will be here and this will alternate, this will be 0. Now this will alternate and this will become 1. Now to write the number 7, this will remain the same and this will also remain the same. This will change, so it will be 1. Now we can see here at this position also all the positions have 1, like this. At this position, when all the positions are 1, we will have to move to the next higher position to write the next higher number. So here also we will move to the next higher position to write the 8. So to write 8, we will move to next higher position. So this is the next higher position. We will use 1 here. We will put 1 here and these all will be 0. This is 8. So and to write 9, we will put 1 here and this will be same and this will be 1. Now to write next number, means 10, 1 will be here and this will alternate. Now we will have to alternate this 1 and this will remain the same. Now we can observe one thing here to write the binary numbers. We can see here this position is 2 raised to power 0, means 1. So all the bits here alternates at every time when we write the next higher number, and this is 2 raised to power 1, means 2. So here the digits will alternates in a group of 1 and in a group of 2. So alternates between a group of 2 zeros and 2 1 at this position, and when we come to this position 2 raised to power 2, means 4. So there will be alternate between 0 and 1, means, and there will be alternate between a group of 4 ones and 4 zeros. This will be 4. When we write 11, we can see here it will be 1, here it will be 0 and this will be 1 and this will be 1. So we can see there is a group of 2 ones and 2 0 alternates between a group of 2 ones and 2 0, and here is a alteration between a group of 4 ones and 4 zero, and this will keep on continue. And this at this position 2 raised to power 3, at this position there is 2 raised to power 3 means 8. So here the alternates between a group of 8 ones and 8 zeros, and the numbers will keep on continue. I hope you have got the basic method of writing counting in binary form. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.